This is how to actually use Wedding Venues Directory, where to start, and what each feature is for. Right on the homepage, there's a fast search panel with 4 categories: hotels, venues, experiences, and planners, for when you already know what you're after. For now, let's start with venues. If you know the venue, search the name. If you don't, search a destination or an event type: wedding, pre or post-party, corporate, social, accommodation. If you're still deciding where, Explore Destination shows what's currently listed in each country before you commit to one. For a real short list, open Search Venues. Every result appears on a live map, and you can filter by destination, event type, star rating, distance from the airport, and maximum guest count. Inside Search Venues, results are grouped into 4 tabs of their own: hotels, venues, experiences, and events. It's worth checking more than one. Each card also gives you quick view for a fast look without leaving the page. Open the full profile for the details that matter: capacity, event spaces, accommodation, photos, and direct contact. Click Send an Email, and it opens straight in your email client. If you'd like to come back later, click Bookmark. Everything you save, venues or planners, is stored in your dashboard once you're signed in, making it easy to build a short list over more than one session. Once you've explored venues, let's look at planners. Open Find Planner from the main navigation, then use the filters to search by country of residence, destination served, cultural background, services offered, and event budget. Here's a tip that works across both searches. Tap Add to Comparison on a few cards, venues, planners, and a Compare Items button appears at the bottom of the screen. It lines everything up side by side so you're deciding on facts, not memory. Need a refresher? The How to Use WVD guide is always waiting on the homepage, just one click away. You don't need an account to browse or search. Create one only if you'd like to bookmark venues and planners or return to your shortlist later. Start your search with Wedding Venues Directory. Link in the description.